school community would like to express our appreciation for the years of wonderful service and leadership that has been provided to our high school by our Dean of Students and Associate Principal, Mr. Mike Monahan. Mike, please stand and accept our appreciation.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's just a fun example. Wildcats, you have great spirit. And you look sharp today. You look so grown up. You're a very talented group, and you have a very bright future. Your academic preparedness, faith formation, service, extracurricular and athletic achievements are remarkable. You will take with you many lifelong memories. A few years ago, when I was sitting where you are, I remember being excited about graduation and also feeling a little bit anxious about the future. I've learned a couple things in those seemingly short years that I would like to share with you. First, God does have a plan for you. And second, that plan will unfold in His time, not yours. You'll have to practice patience. All you have to do is work hard at whatever you are doing and be open to His Spirit. Follow your passion. The good news is that you are well prepared for the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Your efforts should center around lifelong learning and service to others. If you do those things, happiness and success will follow. On behalf of the faculty, it is my honor to present to you the graduates of the class of 2014, our 100th graduating class. The diploma that they will receive indicates that the graduate has successfully completed the prescribed course of study at Hayden Catholic High School, a fully accredited institution by the state of Kansas and the North Central Association of Schools and Colleges. These young men and women have worked very hard to get here. Your warm and sincere